Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate ramp for spend controls and invoice capture, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ramp account. On the home page, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option labeled spend controls. Click on spend controls to access the management area. Within the spend controls section, locate the authentication tab. Click on the authentication tab to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to enter your API key. Obtain your API key from your Ramp developer account. Enter the API key into the provided field and confirm. Next, you will see a section for configuring invoice capture. Click on the Invoice Capture option to continue. Set up your invoice capture preferences based on your needs. You can select the types of invoices you want to capture. Ensure to specify any relevant categories or tags for organization. Next, review your spending policies within the Spend Controls section. Adjust spending limits or approval workflows if necessary. Once all settings are configured, save your changes. Now, return to the Spend Controls dashboard to verify your setup. Test the authentication by processing a sample transaction. Monitor for any error messages during the transaction. If successful, your ramp is now authenticated for spend controls and invoice capture. Finally, familiarize yourself with the reporting features to track your spending. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.